Good roll.
All right, welcome back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I already have that. See?
What'd you land on?
That, and I have it. Right
Land on
here.
short line?
Yep.
And you
right.
have it?
Short line.
All right, so what do you got? So you don't have to pay rent on yourself, right? But if I land on there, what do I got to pay if I land on it?
Oh, you got to pay me $25.
See? Back to the 70s, folks. We played Monopoly as kids. We learned how to count, roll the dice, buy properties, buy houses and hotels.
And I bought these 3 houses when my grandpa was gone.
Jackson loves playing Monopoly. You learn how to count money. Now, where do you get that out of today's electronic games?
I have so much hundred.
How much money you got, Jack?
1. I have lots of hundreds.
You like the hundreds?
Okay, let me count them. I'll trade some out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll have 100. No, I want to keep all my hundreds. So like, yeah, I have 500.
You gonna use that to buy me a Christmas present?
Sure.
Sure?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Come on, Grandpa, get butt over here and start playing.
All right. There you go, Monopoly, folks. Go back. Go back.
To the 70s.
You teach your kids how to play Monopoly, they may not need one of these. Get out of jail free card. All right, man. Keep them growing. We'll talk to you soon. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Playing Monopoly with Jackson Reed.